Hello everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what comes in the Homespun Christmas card kit by Pink and Main. This is not part of the subscription, so even if you subscribe to their monthly kit, this is something separate. This is something that you can just buy later on as long as it's still available if you want. So this would be in addition to your kit. So if you're a kit subscriber, don't be thinking that this one's coming just because you subscribe. You're going to have to go snag it. And it looks like by this picture, it is a doozy. Oh my gosh. It's valued at over $75. And here's a little sneak of what comes in this. So let's open it up and take a look at what comes in here. I'm excited. Okay, so of course we have our pouch. This is fabulous if you are a crafter on the go. Oh, this one is so jam-packed. This is fabulous. Okay. Wow. All right, so let's just jump right into what comes in it. There isn't a special card. That's where this just comes in. We've got... oh, look at the sparkly sequins we've got here. This is our sparkly sequin mix. Looks like we've got some yellows, some pinks. I don't know if you can see that because it's overcast today. Some blues, some gold. Those are beautiful. And red. Very pretty color combos for Christmas. And then our white glitter enamel dots. So they're all white. Great. Just absolutely perfect. You know, as far as add these to any sort of project, but definitely this is going to be great for your Christmas kit. Let's jump into our paper, the Homespun Christmas paper pad, 24 sheets, 6x6 paper pad. Let's cut into it. Ooh, I really love this color combo. Again, I say that with all the kits. Oh, I love that. It's like sweater. So we've got this green. Comes in the blue. Oh, that's super pretty. Oh, that green is beautiful. It's different for a Christmas kit, I would think. Oh, yeah. These are great patterns. Just great Christmas patterns. This one looks like it's going to be wonderful for all those bunches of Christmas cards that you might want to make. All right, so then we're back to the beginning. Oh, pink. Like you could just crank out a ton of your Christmas cards with this. Love it. Oh, that's so pretty. This is such a great color combo for Christmas cards. I love it. Okay. Very similar type patterns, which is good. Okay, so there's that. Ooh, metallic foil cardstock. You're going to get 4 sheets of silver and 4 sheets of gold. Let's cut into that real quick and take a look. So it's like a mirror cardstock. Check that out. 4 silver, 4 gold. That's great. Oops, let's put our pen and paper on top of here. All right, what's next? Oh, we have a ton of card bases. Look at this. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card bases. These are A2 card bases. So that means once they're closed, they're going to be side folding. A2, which means closed, is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. So you already have 6 card bases. That's great. I think that is going to be all the cardstock that you get in the kit. But that's because, oh my goodness, look at this giant stencil. So this stencil measures just over 6, it's like 6 1/4 by 8.5. So this is going to fill up a whole, you know, 6 1/4 by 8.5 inch piece of cardstock. That's fabulous. And you could section these off and color those separate, make your own little sweater out of these. This is great. Super big, super pretty. What else we got in here? Okay, and then we have a giant stamp set. So here is our stamp set with our matching dies. Oh, that's pretty. This one's the Homespun Christmas. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fairly large images for you to color or even just stamp in regular, you know, your inks. however you want to do that. And then your sentiments are Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, and Season's Greetings. And then it looks like Joy is separate. I could be wrong, but it looks like it might be separate. Maybe not. I'd have to look at that. I'm thinking it's not. I'm thinking it's part of the jar. But either way, then you have your matching dies to easily cut those out and make all of your Christmas cards. This one looks like it's a fabulous one for maybe mass producing your Christmas cards. Just stamp out a bunch of your images, color them up while you're watching TV or whatnot, and then you can mass produce. So I'll come up with some ideas. Make sure you hit that like button, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what I make. If you liked it, again, hit that like button and keep an eye out, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye everybody.